Hello, people. So, as you all know, I'm on this whole mission about of speaking about pages on Instagram that I really like. So, there is this page called Color Chemistry by Navita, and this cute painter. She was kind enough to send me this whole painting on my birthday, and it is like one of the cutest gestures anyone has ever done for me, with a note and all. So truly, people, I mean, Navita is a fluid artist, as in, you know if you take a look at her work, it has a very arresting quality to it. Like, for instance, Saif Ali Khan, the actor, and he has said that when you look at a nice painting, sometimes it's like you could just stand there and spend an eternity just looking at it, just admiring it. And what I feel is, like, literally at some level, bringing home a good piece of art is like, see, right now I feel I have like I feel I have like the sea that has come home with me. It's like, it's as beautiful as that. So truly, people, if you all want artwork that is exquisite, Color Chemistry by Navita is this page that you all should connect with on Instagram, because her work is, in one word, stunning. So I still can't get over it. In fact, I'm very tempted to enroll in painting classes myself, and encourage my son also, encourage my child, because I think to be able to do any kind of art is, in the actual sense, like a real blessing. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.